The Essentials of Coaching program is a 5-day face-to-face program for anybody who is curious about improving their capacity to work effectively with others through a developmental approach. It might be leaders who want to improve their coaching skills within their leadership role, others who have been touched by being coached themselves and want to try that role out themselves. Effective coaching happens when coaches are sensitive to how they spend their attention and intention in the role of coach. What is important in coaching is to try and understand how you show up, what brings you to the role, and how you help others develop their capacity to develop their autonomy to solve their own problems. The content of the program follows a blend of academic input with a lot of practice and necessarily a lot of reflection. In the classroom setting, that's where coaching for leadership development will be covered, but also the nuts and bolts of coaching. What brings you to the role of coach? How do you set up an effective coaching relationship? How do you evaluate it? How do you set up a coaching goal? So everything that goes into the coaching relationship. But also we'll cover important issues like ethics, which gives participants the reassurance that they're acting in a range of rules and standards. They then bring that academic or theoretical input into practice groups and supervision groups, where they take up the role of coach, they implement the learnings from the classroom, which are led by experienced INSEAD coaches. They bring corporate experience, lived human experience, and they are dedicated all around the art and practice of leadership development. For some, when they leave the program, this is the beginning of a new story. And in that story, what's my purpose? What are my values? How do I gain and lose credibility and role? But in order to develop that story, you do need other authors. That's what participants often leave with, a strong community who are going to continue helping them develop that story and how that might enhance and improve their leadership skills, or indeed how they practice as a coach.